What's up, y'all? It's Keontae, your multi-hyphenate queen. This year, I wanted to do like a little shoot in my house because I got all the stuff that I need for a very nice photo shoot and just make some content for my birthday this year. I have to do this all in one day, which is not how I would usually do my hair. Usually, I would leave my rollers in for at least 24 to 48 hours, but today we are on a time crunch because I have things to do, a long week, and I guess the only day I can get it done. First, I need to wash my hair. Then I need to put it on rollers, sit under the dryer for hours and hours and hours, and then set up my area where I'm going to do my photo shoot. It's my husband with his iPhone, but we're gonna get it done and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go. Okay, so I just got out the shower, washed my hair. It's 3:27. I need to sit under the dryer for at least 4 hours because that's the only way I think they will set and be good for tonight. Let's just get right into it. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Okay, we are halfway done. I got through this. Oh, work only in like 15 minutes. That's not bad. That's not bad. These rollers are big, and the reason why I'm not doing all sponge rollers is because sponge rollers, they also have to dry. Like the sponge has to dry. If your hair is dry, but the sponge isn't dry, then your like curl won't stay. So that's why I'm doing the perm rods, because they don't have to get like dry. So I also am not doing foam. This is a risk. Normally the foam sets it, like I feel like it helps it curl easier, but I don't have any foam. So the style that I'm going for is a bob. So some of these curls would be kind of pinned in. So that's why I'm not too like obsessed with it being like super tight curl. I don't want tight curls. Let's keep going. I have this many rollers left. So I think we're gonna be good. And then if I need to take some out because I have more rollers left over, I can like kind of spread them apart. I'm doing 4 to a roller, and then I'm going up and doing 3 and then possibly 2 to 1 roller. So let's keep going. Time lapse this thing. I'm an actor, right? And I have all the self-tape equipment. And my husband and I were like playing around taking pictures and videos. And I was like, man, your camera is really good. Like, why do we spend so much money on photo shoots? And granted, yes, of course, you get the whole feel, this, you know, professional photographer and all the things. But if you can do it at home, why not do it at home? Plus, I need some pictures in different hairstyles because I am a huge advocate for locks being versatile in so many different styles, and that's what I really want this photo shoot to give. Like, I want it to give voluptuous, beautiful, kind of like that old school beauty, but with locks. I'm in a space where I don't want to wait for opportunities to come to me. If I have an idea, a creative idea, I can execute it, you know? Like, I don't have to wait for a photographer or to book something where they're like, oh, okay, we want your hair to be like this. And I'm like, oh, finally, when I have all of the resources to do it myself. Come on. I hope this comes out great. I think it will though, but this is truly me like saying, Keontae, you have everything you need. Just, you have an idea, create, go for it. So that's literally what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna do my hair as I'm doing right now, and it's gonna come out great. I know it will. Like, I am a hair finesser, and I know that any style that I want, I can do it. this is what we have. We're done. I was spraying them just so they aren't already dry, because I don't want them to dry and then they don't have the curl, you know? I'm just gonna speak this now. This style is gonna eat down. I have faith that everything's gonna work out. Even though I don't have any foam, I'm gonna sit under the dryer for until 9 o'clock. It is 4:30. So I will see y'all back in a couple of hours. Okay, so now I'm under the dryer and my timer is set for about 5 hours. So I think this will work. I'm gonna believe that it's gonna work. See y'all in 5 hours. Here goes nothing. Okay, girl. Okay. And it's fully dry. Let's just tuck that back on in there. Okay, I think we're dry. Okay, so we're in the living room. I already moved the couch out the way. I forgot to get a white sheet, but I was in my closet and I realized I have like white eggshell curtains that could work. So we're gonna try this out. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we're gonna try this, and we might do the brown sheet as well. We're just gonna see what works. I only need a few pictures. Like, I don't need too much, but I guess, you know, want it to be different. I want to try something new. So here we go. Really good. Like, that actually might eat better than this white thing over here. So I have 3 options. I have my gray backdrop, the white. So I don't like this. I don't even like, even if it was like ironed, the texture is like a shiny white, and I don't like that. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my just the gray wall, but put this on the floor. So if I have any photos where I have like a full body photo, the floor won't be wood. Listen, I'm trying the best I can. I'm doing my best. It's gonna come out so good. When the vision comes together, it's gonna be great. So now it's time to start makeup. I don't have all the things that I need for this look, but I'm gonna finesse it. I'm gonna finesse it and see how this turns out. I'm excited for this part because I've wanted to do this look for a while now, but I've never gotten to do it because I didn't have a reason to, I guess. So we're just gonna try, and I'm gonna do my best. So here we go. All right, this is the look. Now time to get dressed and then to take down my hair. Okay, the big reveal. The curls are eating down, okay? I had to just do a little test run first before I made sure everything was good, but it's looking nice. I am so excited for this because the fact that I did not use any setting spray for these locks, for these curls, and they all are coming out nicely. Come on. Now I know perm rods are the way to go. If you need a little quick little curl moment and you got a couple hours and you need your locks curled in one day, perm rods. Not one curl is still wet, nothing. This is gonna be amazing. All right, I'll be back once I take all these out and then I will style them, okay? Like, look at this. Look at this. Is this not big, voluptuous curls? What are we? Don't ever play with a lock, girl. Like, don't ever do it. Do you see this? Look that I'm going for is a bob. So these curls are beautiful, but I need them here. And I can do it. First things first, the edges. I did not tie them down when they were under the dryer, which that's my bad. We're just gonna brush them up. We're not gonna do no crazy styles or nothing. Just gonna brush them up. Luckily, this is gonna work out so well because I don't have a fresh retwist. So that means my edges are going to end up like waving up, which is gonna be so cute. As you can see, like, they're gonna start like waving up, but I'm going to tie them down. So let me go get my scarf so I can tie them down. So now it is tied down. Now begins the process. So I'm gonna focus on the back first because technically all of these need to go like that. And even if they're just like that, now that is smart. So I kind of pin them up. Yes. Yes, I'm so smart. Oh, it's genius. I'm such a genius. Because you still want the ends to be free. Okay. So here, we bunch this, we take this up to here. Man, I am so freaking smart, yo. And then it gives a little volume at the top. I know that's right. Look at that. Like, come on, look at a locked bob. Come on. So this, I want this to flow like, kind of like that. And I want this to be a little swoop doop moment. Okay, let's see if we can finagle this. Finagle, is that even a word? Okay. That's literally what I wanted. Come on. Okay, I think we are good. So let's see what the edges are giving. And I don't mind if the edges are kind of free. I just need them to have some kind of form. Come on. Oh, let's go, okay? Come on, like, look at this. Do you see this? Do you see the material? Let's go. All right, we ready. So we're here, my hair looks fine, looks good. This is the most important part right here. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. All right, let's go. Okay. It's coming along. My husband's doing an amazing job. This is so much fun. Normally when I do a photo shoot, I kind of feel tense because I'm doing it with somebody that I don't know. So I don't feel free to just explore different options. This is truly a learning experience for me. So I'm having a great time. Okay, I think this photo shoot went so well. Like, it was so much fun, and I am so impressed. So proud of myself. I'm proud of my husband too. It's such a good time, such a good experience. But we are tired. It is 1:30 in the morning. I still need to take this hair down out of these pins, take this makeup off, straighten the living room back up. Like, I need to decompress. It's been a long day, a long journey, but I think we got some great pictures. I'm so excited to share this vlog and the photos because this is for my birthday. So when you see this, I'm pretty sure it'll be on my birthday. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And if you do not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at AmbitiousKeontae. Thank y'all.